In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw tokens from Aster. Now first, you need to go to Aster's official website and connect your wallet. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official Aster DEX website, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out, as I said, link down below. So in here, once you have your wallet connected onto Aster DEX, by the way, if you don't know how to do this, of course, first you must watch that video. I do have that video for every single wallet you can connect, so go watch that and connect your wallet. So after that, I'm assuming you actually have some funds on here. Like me, I have like $16.50 on here, and I would like to withdraw. Now, the first thing you must do is actually convert anything you have on your spot account onto your perpetual account. Because if I go to my spot account here, my spot wallet, as you can see, I have no value on here, and I can't actually even withdraw. Even if I had anything, it's not possible. So what you have to do here is you want to swap to perpetual, top left, click on your wallet address and click on transfer. And then whatever you have on your spot account, transfer it over to perpetual here. You can just select the token and then just basically the amount or max and click transfer, and it's going to happen in just a second. And then up here, click on the withdraw button, and now the funds will actually be available for the withdrawal. So as you can see, again, select perpetual account and then the chain. So I'm going to do Solana because I do have my Phantom wallet connected to Aster DEX here. And then you just have to basically type in the amount you would like to do. So for example, I'm going to do all the USD I possibly have here, and I'm going to click on the withdrawal button. And whenever you do this, as you can see, when withdrawal is going to be in progress, and then when that happens, you've successfully withdrawn tokens from Aster DEX. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.